Ever heard the joke about the broom? It's sweeping the nation. Now let's get into the serious business of cleaning. Today we're going to turn the chore of cleaning into a joyride. We'll explore some nifty techniques and quick hacks that are sure to make your home sparkle without breaking a sweat. We're talking dusting, mirrors, kitchens, bathrooms, and even the dreaded rubbish. So buckle up and get ready for a cleaning adventure like no other. Stay tuned because this is not your typical cleaning tutorial. Scene script. Dust bunnies under the bed aren't pets. Let's show them the door. In the grand saga of household cleaning, dust is the uninvited guest that refuses to leave. It's like that one friend who overstays their welcome at the party. The one who's still there even when the music has stopped, the lights are on, and everyone else has left. But don't worry, we're about to show dust the exit sign. Let's start with the places that are often overlooked. Top shelves, door frames, behind the TV, under the furniture, these are dust's favorite hideouts. For these tough-to-reach areas, extendable dusters are your knights in shining armor. They're like the long arm of cleanliness law, reaching where your hands can't. And don't forget those air vents. They're like the secret tunnels dust uses to infiltrate your fortress of cleanliness. A soft paintbrush is an excellent tool to dislodge the dust and then just vacuum it up. Remember to clean your vacuum's filter regularly, or you'll just be redistributing the dust. Now let's talk eco-friendly options. One of the best ways to be kind to Mother Earth while cleaning is to use reusable dusters. They're like the gift that keeps on giving. Just wash them and they're ready for another round. Microfiber cloths are also a great option. They're like dust magnets and they don't need any cleaning chemicals to work their magic. And let's not forget about our fluffy companions. If you have pets, you know that they can be furry dust factories. A good grooming routine can help keep the dust at bay, and bonus, your pets will look fabulous. So, dusting isn't just about making your home look good, it's about making it healthier. Dust can be a major trigger for allergies and asthma. By making dusting part of your regular cleaning routine, you're not only creating a more comfortable space, but you're also taking care of your health and the health of your loved ones. Remember, dusting isn't a once-a-year spring cleaning event. Make it part of your routine and you'll breathe easier. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the cleanest of them all? Well, after you hear these tips, it could very well be your mirror. Now, mirrors can be tricky to clean, leaving us with more streaks than sparkles. But fear not, because we have some household items that can come to our rescue. First off, vinegar. Yes, you heard right, vinegar. Mix equal parts of vinegar and water and voila. You have an effective streak-free cleaner. But hold on, don't just grab that paper towel. For a real mirror makeover, try newspaper instead. It's a bit unconventional, yes, but it works wonders in absorbing the liquid and leaving your mirror streak-free. So next time you're cleaning, remember, vinegar, water, newspaper. 3 simple things that can transform your mirror from streaky to sleek, and there you have it. A mirror so clean it might just start talking back. Now your mirror will be the fairest of them all. A clean kitchen is a happy kitchen, and a happy kitchen makes happy people. Now let's dive into the heart of the home, the kitchen. This is the place where we create, experiment, and sometimes even make a mess. But fret not, because I'm here to share some simple yet effective cleaning methods for your kitchen. Let's start with the surfaces. We all know how easily they can become cluttered and dirty. The trick is to wipe them down after each use. Use a damp cloth with a bit of mild soap for a quick cleanup. For those stubborn stains, baking soda and water can work wonders. Just mix equal parts and apply it to the stain. Let it sit for about 15 minutes, then scrub it off. On to the appliances. The refrigerator, the oven, the microwave, they all need their share of attention. Wipe the exterior regularly to avoid buildup of dust and grime. For the interior, a simple solution of vinegar and water can do the trick. Just spray it on, let it sit for a bit, and then wipe it clean. Remember to dry it off to prevent any mildew growth. And let's not forget the sinks. They can easily become a breeding ground for bacteria if not cleaned regularly. A good scrub with a mild abrasive cleaner and a soft sponge should do the trick. For the drain, a mixture of 1 part vinegar to 2 parts baking soda can help clear any clogs and deodorize at the same time. Now, maintaining cleanliness is all about daily habits. Try to clean as you go. Wash dishes immediately after use, wipe down surfaces after cooking, and take out the trash daily. This prevents any buildup and keeps your kitchen looking fresh and inviting. Remember, a clean kitchen is not just about aesthetics. It's about creating a safe and healthy environment for you and your loved ones. So, give your kitchen some love, and it will love you back with great meals. The bathroom. our personal sanctuary and the bane of our cleaning existence. It's the one room in the house that we want to keep as clean as possible, but often dread tackling. But fear not, with a few quick and effective cleaning methods, you can turn your bathroom blitz into a breeze. Start with the shower. A simple mix of vinegar and dish soap can do wonders in there. Spray it on, let it sit for a few minutes, then scrub it off with a brush. It's a powerful combo that can cut through soap scum and leave your shower looking spotless. Next up, the sink. Baking soda is your best friend here. Sprinkle it around the basin, scrub with a damp sponge, and rinse. Not only will it remove grime, but it will also help to eliminate any lingering odors. Now, the part we all dread, the toilet. But it doesn't have to be a chore. A good toilet brush and some bleach-based cleaner can work wonders. Don't forget to clean the outside of the bowl and the seat too. And a pro tip? Close the lid before flushing to prevent bacteria from spreading. And of course, don't forget about the floors and the mirrors. A quick sweep and mop can keep the floors clean, while a microfiber cloth and some glass cleaner can make your mirrors shine like new. But the real secret to a clean bathroom isn't just in the cleaning, it's in the maintaining. Regular cleaning prevents buildup and keeps your bathroom looking its best. So try to tackle one part of the bathroom each day. It's much easier to spend a few minutes each day maintaining a clean bathroom than it is to spend hours once a week deep cleaning it. Remember, a clean bathroom isn't just about appearances, it's about creating a space where you can relax, unwind, and take care of yourself. So grab your cleaning supplies, put on your favorite tunes, and get to it. With these tips, your bathroom will be sparkling in no time. We've swept, we've scrubbed, but what about the rubbish? Indeed, the battle against clutter doesn't end with dust bunnies and grimy mirrors. The trash bin is a crucial frontier. Now let's talk about efficient ways to manage this unglamorous but unavoidable part of our cleaning routine. First off, keep separate bins for recyclables and non-recyclables. It's not only eco-friendly, but it also makes trash day a whole lot easier. Designate a bin for paper, one for plastic, and another for the rest. Next, consider composting. The peelings from your morning avocado toast, the coffee grounds from your latte, they aren't just rubbish, they're potential gold for your garden. And if you don't have a garden, there's a good chance a neighbor or a local farm would be happy to take it off your hands. Now let's face it, trash can smell, well, trashy. To control odors, use baking soda. Yes, the same stuff that makes your cookies fluff up can also keep your bin smelling fresh. Simply sprinkle some in the bottom of the bin, and voila! You've got a natural deodorizer. Finally, remember to take out the trash regularly. Don't wait until the bin is overflowing. An empty bin is a happy bin, and a happy bin makes for a happy home. Remember, a clean home is a happy home. So let's keep it clean, fresh, and rubbish-free. Cleaning doesn't have to be a chore, especially when you have the right methods up your sleeve. Remember, friends, the key lies in the little things. Those tiny dust particles we tackled in the Dusty Chronicles, they can be managed with a simple daily dusting. The smudgy mirrors we discussed, a quick wipe with a vinegar solution, and they'll gleam like never before. The Kitchen Confidential addressed the importance of keeping your food preparation areas clean. Remember, a clean kitchen is a happy kitchen, and who could forget the bathroom blitz? That's right, a little elbow grease and some baking soda can make a world of difference. In the grand scheme of things, these tasks may seem small, but they make a big impact. Regular cleaning habits not only keep your home looking great, they also create a healthier environment for you and your loved ones. So there you have it, folks, cleaning made easy. Now go forth and make your home sparkle.